How does IHL protect daily life for prisoners of war? Imagine being taken from your home, unsure of what's next, yet still entitled to basic rights and dignity. International humanitarian law sets clear rules to make sure prisoners of war are treated humanely. These rules come from the Geneva Conventions, which are like a global promise to protect those caught in conflict. Prisoners of war must be treated with respect at all times, regardless of their nationality or beliefs. They cannot be tortured or humiliated, and their dignity must be preserved. This means no cruel or degrading treatment is allowed, and their safety is a top priority. Living conditions are also protected. Prisoners should be housed in places that are at least as good as those for the detaining country's own soldiers. They need proper shelter, enough food that is nutritious and varied, and clean water for drinking and hygiene. Sanitary facilities like latrines and bathing areas must be available to keep prisoners healthy and prevent disease. Women prisoners must have separate accommodations to ensure their safety and comfort. Medical care is another key part of protection. Prisoners who are sick or injured must get proper treatment. Camps are required to have infirmaries, and seriously ill prisoners should be transferred to hospitals. Disabled prisoners must receive special care and support to help them recover or prepare for their return home. Prisoners of war also have rights to communicate with their families and practice their religion freely. They can write letters, receive visits, and have access to spiritual support. Disciplinary actions or punishments must follow strict rules, and prisoners are entitled to fair treatment if they face any legal proceedings. Respect for cultural customs is also important. Prisoners' traditions and habits should be honored as long as they do not threaten health or security. This helps keep their sense of identity and dignity intact during captivity. All these protections work together to make sure prisoners of war are treated humanely and with respect. The rules aim to reduce the hardships of captivity and uphold their rights until they are released or sent back home. By following these laws, the international community shows that, even in war, humanity must be maintained.